Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Facebook post add music option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to App Store or Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Facebook. From here update your Facebook apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now long press on Facebook apps. Open Facebook app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Click on force stop and force stop your Facebook apps. Now go back to home screen. Now open Facebook. Now create post. And here you can see add music option showing now. If you cannot see add music option, then click on three dot icon and here you will see music option. Also you can add music from here. If still problem remaining, then follow next step. Just click on profile icon. Scroll down. Click on help and support option. Now click on report a problem. Click on include and continue. Now click on include. From here find settings and select settings. Here describe your issue in details. After describing your issue, now send your report. After this process, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.